Hey there, handsome. If you're here, it means you actually care about being great in bed. And let me tell you, that already puts you ahead of most men. Here's the cold, hard truth. Most guys suck in the bedroom. And no, it's not because of their size or stamina. It's because they have no idea what a woman actually wants. They go in blind thinking that what turns them on must turn us on too. But let me tell you right now, women don't work that way. Most men rush, fumble, or focus on the wrong things, leaving women frustrated instead of fulfilled. But the good news, you're not going to be one of those guys, because today, I'm handing you the keys to a woman's deepest, most primal desires. I'm about to reveal 6 powerful things that women crave in the bedroom, things that will make her obsess over you, crave you, and come back for more, again and again. If you get even a few of these right, you'll instantly be in the top 1% of men when it comes to sexual satisfaction. So listen closely, because by the end of this video, you won't just be good in bed, you'll be unforgettable. Let's get into it. 1. Take your time, make her beg for it. One of the biggest mistakes men make? Rushing. You see, women aren't like men. We don't go from 0 to 100 just by looking at you. We need to be warmed up, teased, and slowly brought to the edge of pleasure. If you want to drive a woman wild in bed, don't just dive in. Make her want it first. Make her ache for it. Kiss her, slowly. Let your lips linger on her neck. Whisper something dirty in her ear. Let your hands explore every inch of her body. Don't underestimate the power of a slow build-up, because when you take your time, when you make her wait for it, by the time you finally give it to her, she'll be begging for more. Trust me, foreplay isn't just important. It's the difference between good sex and mind-blowing sex. 2. Give her commands, take control. You know what's insanely sexy? A man who knows exactly what he wants. Women love a man who takes charge in the bedroom, who isn't afraid to give direct commands and lead with confidence. There's a reason why dominant, assertive men in fiction drive us wild. We crave that energy. So next time you're with a woman, don't hesitate. Tell her, "Come here, kiss me, turn around, get on top." And don't just say it with conviction. Say it like you mean it, like you're in control. Your voice should be deep, firm, unshakable. Confidence is the sexiest thing a man can have in the bedroom, so take the lead, give commands, and watch how fast she melts for you. 3. Physical dominance. Own the moment. Now, dominance isn't just about words, it's about how you handle her body. Women love a man who knows how to control the moment physically. That doesn't mean pounding her harder. That's a mistake so many men make. Physical dominance is about how you move her, how you claim her. Grab her waist and pull her closer. Make her feel your strength. Pin her hands above her head. Hold them there as you kiss her. Pull her hair just enough to make her gasp. Spank her. Watch her reaction and adjust. The key here? Confidence and control. You're not forcing anything. You're guiding her, showing her that you're strong enough to handle her. And trust me, if she's into it, she's going to love every second of it. Of course, always pay attention to her comfort. Every woman is different, so start slow, read her reactions, and adjust. But when done right, this is pure fire. 4. Show your desire, make her feel wanted. There's one thing every woman wants to feel in bed: desired. We don't just want to be touched, we want to know that we drive you wild, that you can't get enough of us. You need to show it. Tell her how sexy she is. Whisper in her ear how much she turns you on. Let your body language scream that you want her. And most importantly, don't be silent. Nothing kills the mood faster than a guy who doesn't react. We want to hear your pleasure. We want to hear your groans, your deep breaths, the way you lose control just from touching us. When a man shows his raw, unfiltered desire for us, it's one of the biggest turn-ons in the world. 5. Master oral and finger play. Give her explosive pleasure. Here's a fact. 80% of women don't orgasm from penetration alone. That means if you're relying just on penetration to satisfy her, you're missing a lot. If you want to be great in bed, you need to master your hands and your tongue. Learn how to use your fingers to stimulate her G-spot. Use your tongue to drive her crazy. Slow, controlled, teasing movements. Switch things up. Pace and pressure matter. Women take longer to reach orgasm than men. That means your job is to bridge the gap. And if you learn how to truly pleasure her with your mouth and fingers, you'll be unforgettable. 6. Be fully present. Make her feel connected. Sex isn't just physical for us. It's mental and emotional too. That's why the biggest mistake a man can make is checking out mentally during sex. We can feel when your mind is elsewhere and it instantly kills the mood. Instead, be fully present. Look into her eyes. Feel every reaction. Pay attention to how her body responds to your touch. The more connected you are, the more powerful the experience will be for both of you. Plus, when you're fully present, you'll naturally adjust to what she loves most. You'll learn her body in ways most men never do. And when you understand her on that level, she'll never want anyone else. Seductive outro. And there you have it. 6 powerful things that women crave in the bedroom. This isn't just about being good in bed. It's about being the best she's ever had. It's about becoming the man she can't stop thinking about, the one she keeps coming back to for more. So if you want to be that guy, take these tips seriously. Use them and watch how women respond to you like never before. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'll see you in the next video, and trust me, you won't want to miss it.